where the current runs more strongly. One fish has turned its part of Mzima into a mineral water spa. Because of its underhung mouth, it's called the freshwater shark. But it's not a true shark and might best be described as a pool cleaner. With a flick of a fin, it moves from scouring a rock to scrubbing a hippo. When the dominant male stops by for a makeover, he treats the sharks to a giant smorgasbord of dead skin, algae, and parasites. To be thoroughly cleaned, he stands like the Trojan horse, stretching open the folds of his skin. The sharks' mouths are too broad to clean the wounds carved by another male's teeth. The tiny gara swims in to fill the void. In the hippo spa, each fish performs a particular service. The hippo's lavatory brush of a tail attracts a cichlid.